Hi, this is Emily, and I'd like to welcome you to this unit edit video. What are the main factors to consider when choosing a journal? A journal may choose to accept or reject your paper based on a specific set of criteria stated explicitly on the journal website. There are universally accepted standards in academia. Generally, these include novelty, soundness of research methods, contribution to advancing a particular model, theory, or the overall field, application and usefulness to real-world issues and challenges, connection to current state of the art, the narrative of the research problem, and comprehensiveness. All of the factors contribute to how the journal will assess your work. Therefore, it is important to weight your research against these factors when deciding on which journal to submit your research. Does your research fit these criteria? Along the left, you'll see the criterion, and along the right, an analysis of it. There are two highly important criterion. These include connection and comprehensiveness. Connection to current state of the art. Is your research relevant to the field as a whole? Is your research timely and appropriately framed to address the current or future challenges in your field? Comprehensiveness. Is your research easy to understand, comprehend, and follow? Does it contain easy to understand terminology that is accessible to anyone? Is it digestible? There are three moderately important criterion. These include the novelty of research, the soundness of research methods, and the contribution to the field. Novelty of research. Is your research new and contribute fresh insight to the field? Does your research have novel methods, use a novel approach to an existing problem, and/or offer new results or conclusions? Soundness of research methods. Are your research or experimental methods technically sound? Do they adhere to proper scientific practice, and are they analytically robust? Are they appropriate for the type of research questions you aim to answer? Contribution to the field. Is your research contributing to advancing knowledge in your field? Does your research seek to solve a problem, challenge a theory, or bring new insight to existing knowledge? The final two criterion are of lesser importance than the others, but still hold application value when writing your paper. These include the application of research and the narrative of a research problem. Application of research. Does your research have a real-world application? Can your research be applied to systems, processes, or phenomena in a tractable and practical way? Narrative of research problem. Does your research tell a story? How does it appeal to readers? Does it contribute to improving how your field is perceived by its community? We hope you enjoyed this tip. From all of us at UniEdit, have a wonderful day.